Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for the opportunity to present my research proposal today. In this presentation, I would like to talk about the use of technology in learning English, especially in improving students' vocabulary. As we know, vocabulary is one of the most important elements in learning a foreign language, but many students still find it difficult and boring to learn new words. With the development of mobile technology, language learning is no longer limited to the classroom. One of the popular applications used by students today is Duolingo. Therefore, my student focuses on the effect of using Duolingo on students' English vocabulary improvement. In learning English as a foreign language, vocabulary plays a very important role. Many students still face difficulties in learning and remembering new words. Traditional teaching methods are often considered less interesting and can make students feel bored. Therefore, mobile learning becomes a new opportunity because students can learn English in a more flexible and engaging way using their smartphones. Technology supports vocabulary learning through the concept of mobile assisted language learning or MAL. With MAL, students can learn anytime and anywhere. One of the most popular language learning apps is Duolingo, which is widely used by students around the world. Duolingo provides interactive, game-based learning activities, making vocabulary learning more enjoyable. The app also uses repetition and provides immediate feedback. In addition, Duolingo supports learning through visuals and audio, which helps students understand and remember vocabulary better. Most previous studies have focused on quantitative results, such as test scores or grades. Qualitative studies discussing students' experiences and perceptions are still limited. Therefore, this study is important to explore how students use Duolingo and their views on the application. This study has two main questions. First, how do students use Duolingo to improve their English vocabulary? Second, what are students' perceptions or opinions regarding the use of Duolingo in vocabulary learning? Next, the purpose of this study is to determine how students use Duolingo to improve their vocabulary and to understand students' perceptions of using the Duolingo app in English language learning. This study is expected to be useful for teachers as an alternative medium for vocabulary learning. For students, Duolingo can increase motivation and independent learning. Meanwhile, for other researchers, this study can be a reference for future qualitative studies. Okay, this study uses a qualitative design. The research participants are EFL students who use Duolingo. The research instruments are interviews and open-ended questionnaires to explore the student experiences and opinions in depth. Data was collected through interviews and questionnaires. Next, the data was analyzed using thematic analysis to find the main themes related to vocabulary improvement and students' perceptions of Duolingo. Okay. The results show that Duolingo helps improve students' vocabulary learning. Students also show a positive perception of using Duolingo. Therefore, Duolingo is effective as a supplementary learning tool. In conclusion, this study highlights the potential of Duolingo as a supportive tool in improving students' English vocabulary learning. Through its interactive features, flexibility, and learner-centered approach, Duolingo can enhance students' motivation and independent learning. It is expected that the findings of the study will provide valuable insights for teachers, students, and future researchers in integrating mobile-assisted language learning into English vocabulary instruction. Okay, thank you so much guys for your attention. I would be pleased to answer any question. Okay, see you. Bye-bye. Bye.